Let's make the most delicious, nutritious, healthy bread toast sandwich. Here I've added my egg. You shred your egg, then you put on your Titus fish, then you mash everything, and then let's put in the veggies, tomatoes, pepper, onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. You see all the veggies that are going inside this bread toast. You will love it. You mix them all with your mayonnaise. Depending on the quantity of the ingredients you're using, you put them and you mix everything thoroughly to marry each other very well. This bread toast is one of the healthiest because it has all the 6 classes of food inside of it. Name it all: your protein, your carbohydrates, your vegetable, your fat and oil. Everything is contained in this bread toast. So after you've mixed everything, you've made everything to marry each other, you get your bread. You have to butter your bread. Decide that you will lay on the toaster. You butter it. When you butter those sides, you now put in your marinade. If you put everything, as you can see there, I still have mozzarella cheese. I still put in mozzarella cheese on this so that it will be very cheesy and nice. If your kids love bread, they like taking bread on a norm, you have to give them this bread toast sandwich. They will love it. They will love it, really. They will love it. Stop giving them just ordinary dry bread. Don't do that. Just twist it for them. They are going to be so grateful that you try this out with them. Try this recipe at home. You are going to love it. Really, you will love it. Your whole family is going to be wowed about this. Watch all the process. The process are quite very simple and easy to carry on with. Okay, let me give you time to view them in. Thank you. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, we talked about a relationship. We give you advices how you're going to maneuver and keep your relationship going, because love is a beautiful thing. You need to love, so our love will love you. Do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. We still give food recipe as a twist here, so do well to share and subscribe. We will really be grateful that you did. Thank you.